Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my vlogs. I thought I would kickstart today's vlog with like a day in my life because today I'm waking up early to go shoot some jewelry with my friend. She's a photographer, and so she's asked me to be one of the models for her campaign. So I got ready. It's very Y2K themed, so I'm throwing on like a little white tank, and she's going to have some cute accessories for us. So I'll just bring you guys along. And then tonight I actually am going to be hanging out with my friend Lily. Crazy thing, but Lily and I actually go back to when we were first adopted, so it's kind of crazy that we're able to reconnect in New York City. So I'm really excited to see her. She's going to come over. We're just going to have like a little white night and snack. So okay, let's get going. I'm in so much heat today. We are at the photo shoot, and Madison's getting shot right now, but we're doing it with a jewelry company with Taylor as a photographer. So it's just like these little necklaces, this bracelet, and this ring. The weather has been so nice lately, it's kind of crazy. Like this is like 74-ish, 75 degrees, which is honestly my ideal temperature. Taylor looks so cute when she's taking her photos. How are you feeling about the shoot?
It looks so cute.
So cute.
We're almost done with look 1. Ashley has to do her solo shot. And then we'll move on to look 2.
We have 3 looks today.
So we're almost halfway. That's almost a third, I think.
Almost a third. Next look involves a furry jacket, changed my necklace, and then I'm going to be blowing bubbles. So,
Since my nails are gonna break.
Bubble gum, let's get it.
And that's a wrap. Okay, bye.
Allison's here!
And Karen!
And Karen! Chelsea Marco! remember our vlog in college? I wasn't even recording. No, I literally remember that. This curry is so good. We've been vlogging for like 10 years then.
I know.
Technically. Ashtonal.
Go watch our vlog.
Ashtonal, I'll link it here.
Remember we were like, subscribe below.
Like, comment, subscribe below. No, we literally made videos in college.
Two videos.
Yeah, we made 2 videos in college, and we were like, we're gonna have such a cute vlog channel.
That lasted. So happy you kept up with it.
At least I kept up with it.
I know I'd pay the...
Good morning, it is another day, another dollar. I actually woke up feeling super motivated. I don't know what it was, I just went to bed like pretty early last night. So I'm going to drop off my laundry and do a same day service, because a lot of times doing same day service actually is the exact price of me just purchasing like 3 different washers and dryers. So we're gonna do laundry today. Probably just a lot of other errands. Okay, for 2 bags, it was only $17.49 and it was 11 pounds total. That's technically like $10 more than I would usually pay like if I do it on my own, but honestly, it's worth it today. Because, oh my. Good morning, everyone. It has actually been a couple of days and since I was last on the vlog. I have been really sick the last couple of days. I heard there's like a new COVID strain going around, so I fear like I might have had that. But today we're feeling better and we have a lot of work to do. I am doing a lot of work for preparation for an event for my job on Sunday. I just had like 3 or 4 meetings, so I need to finalize a lot of those things. I have some orders to get in. I also am going to meet Taylor because we have another photo shoot later this afternoon. And I also have to clean my apartment because I'm so excited. My mom is coming to New York this Thursday, so I'll be showing her around from Thursday to Sunday. So we have a lot on the agenda today, and I was like, you know what? Might as well turn the camera back on since I'm feeling much better and bring you guys along. Also, you guys, I did my nails the other day and I want to show you. They're so cute. They're like polka dots with like random rhinestones on the polka dots. If you've been with me for a while, like I've been into doing my nails since I was in Korea. So I finally did them again after a while and I'm obsessed. So here's your fall nail inspo. Like I mentioned, my mom is coming into town, so I really need to clean my apartment. I ordered, I don't know if you can see it, there's a white futon-y like couch on top of my normal black futon. So I literally have 2 couches stacked on top of the other right now. I need to sell that and get that out of here so that my mom can sleep in my bed and I can sleep on the black futon. I've been putting it off for a while, but that needs to go. And then I need to kind of reorganize my whole room and make it presentable. Also, look at this cute little toaster light my friend got me for my birthday. I'm obsessed, it's so cutie. I keep her on my desk. So much to do. Okay, let's get some work done before I need to start changing for the shoot. So I am a little sick. I am spending the night at home, but tell me why I just ate a whole bottle of ramen, a whole bowl of ramen, and I'm still so hungry. I feel like that's not a good thing. I put an egg in there for like protein, but what else should I eat? Maybe I'll bake cookies, but I want something like sustainable. Tonight we're just gonna have like a chill night in. I just really want to relax. My mom's visiting, like I said, so I cleaned my room. Much better over there, and I just want to make sure I'm healthy by the time she gets here. So I'm gonna watch Netflix, drink some tea, maybe we'll do some art tonight as well. Just like live a simple life, you know, enjoy, romanticize your life. But I'm really loving that my overhead light isn't on right now. It's all like warm, soft lighting, and I feel like it's just making me feel better.